reviewing work order history in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you where every closed job lives, how to filter to one machine, and how to read the full repair record before you troubleshoot a repeat problem. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Maintenance Work Order History from your dashboard. Need to see what's already been done on a piece of equipment? Use Work Order History, not the active list. This shows every closed work order rolled up into one story per asset. Filter by asset to see everything that's happened to one machine, or by date range to see what got done last month. The risk states up top surface the assets with overdue work orders or an overdue PM before they bite production. Click any row for the full record. Who did the work, what parts were used, how long it took, and the sign-off notes and photos. That's the whole repair history for that asset in one place. Check here first before troubleshooting a repeat problem. You might find it was already fixed once and see exactly what worked. That turns a mystery into a 2-minute lookup.